This is wheat was not just a crop, it was my hope. For months I worked day and night, weathering perfection and waiting. Every morning start with dreams, dreams of a good harvest. But nature had other plans. Last night heavy rain came and without horse everything changed. The sun felt that which was full of life is now diluted. Each grain lying up on the ground feels like a piece of my hard work was hid always. People see food on their plates, but they don't see the pain behind it. A farmer doesn't just grow crops, he grows hope, and sometimes that hope gets destroyed. Still, we don't give up because farming is not just a work, it's our life. This is field once looked like a dream. Golden weight standing tall, moving gently with the wind. Golden weight standing tall, moving gently with the wind as the nature itself was celebrating. Every single plant here as a story of mehnat, a story of patience, and a story of hope. Months ago, this land was empty, dry soil, waiting for life, and that's when a start waking up early in the morning before the sun rise, working till late evening under the heat, under the dust, planting each seed with care, with belief. Because for a farmer, a seed is not just a seed; it is a promise that one day this is empty land will turn it into food for families, food for the world. Day by day, the weeds start growing, small green leaves appeared, and with them, my hopes grow too. Every morning, I come here, not just to check the crop, but to feel pace. This is fields, is not just land, it's my life. Weeks passed, and the crop become stronger, healthy, beautiful, full of life. I start dreams again, dreaming about a good harvest, about selling the crop, about supporting my family. Everything was going right until that night the sky changed. Dark closed covers everything, and strong winds start blowing. At first, I thought it was normal rain. Rain is good for crops, it's giving life. But this time, it's way different. The rain didn't stop, it kept feeling harder, heavier, hour after hour. Water start filling the field. The same weather that gives life was now destroying it. I couldn't do anything. Just starting there watching my hard work getting wished away. That night flat and endless. And in the morning, when I come back to the field, everything has changed. The weight that once stood tall was now lying on the ground, broken, soaked, destroyed. Silence filled the air. No joy, no movement, just loss. Each stop I took felt heavy because every step was on my own mehnat. Months of work gone, dreams gone, hope broken. People in cities see food as just food, but for a farmer, every grain has a story of struggle, of risk, of sleepless nights. Farming is not easy. It depends on nature, and sometimes nature is unpredictable. You go everything, your time, your energy, your hope, and still you are not garnered success. This is the reality of an Indian farmer. But even after all this, we don't stop, we don't quit, because this land is not just soil, it's our identity, it's our responsibility. And to matter how many times we'll fall, We standard again, we plan again, we plant again, we hope again. Because that's what farmers do. They never give up. Even when everything is lost, they start again from zero with the same belief that one day things will be better, and maybe the next crop will survive. Might be the next season will bring happiness. Until then, we keep going because farming is not just work, it's life. Please subscribe the like the channel. Sometimes life tests you in ways you never expect. A farmer's is built on hope. Hope that the rain will come on time. Hope that the sun will not be too harsh. Hope that the crop will survive. But sometimes all those hope break at once. This field is not just land for me. It is my past, my present, and my future. I remember the day when I first touched this soil. It was dry, cracked, waiting for life, and believed there that I could write life to it with my own hand, with my own mehnat. I started preparing the land, ploughing it, leveling it, making it ready. Every step took time, took energy, but I never compliment because the is what do. This is who I am, a farmer. Days turned into weeks, and slowly life start appearing. Tiny green plant coming out of the soil. That moment, it feeling magical. When you see something grow from nothing, I going it giving you strength. It's giving you happiness, and most importantly, it's giving you hope. I took care of this crop like a family member, protecting it, weathering it, watching it grow every single day. Sometimes I would just stand here in silence, watching the field, feeling proud, feeling pacifical, because this is my world, no noise, no stress, just me and my field. But life don't say the same. That night, the wind was different, the air felt heavy, the sky looked energy, and then rain started. At first, it felt normal, but within minutes, it became stronger. The sound of rain grew louder, and louder, like a warning. Weather start qualification. The soil become soft, too soft. The plants couldn't stand anymore. They started bending, feeling one by one, and a stalk there, helpless, reaching everything calls. That moment, you don't feel anger, you don't feel fear, you feel impotence because now there is nothing you can do. Nature is more powerful, and when it is difficult, everything changes. By morning, the rain stopped, but the damage was already on done. I walked into the field. Slowly, every step felt heavier than before. The same field. That one give me happiness, no give me pain. The weight was lying field, covered in water, destroyed. I packed up one plant, looked at it, and for a moment, everything flashed in my mind. All the hard work, all the time, all the dreams gone. Just like that, people stay, try again, but they don't understand what it takes to start again. It takes courage, it takes strength, and it takes a heart that refocus took you up. Yes, this crop is gone. Yes, this is loss is real. But I am still here, standing, breathing, hoping. Because of farmer, my loss his crop, but he never lost his spirit. This is land has seen my struggle. It has seen my tears, and is will see my success too one day. This some failed will be grown again, full of life, full of hope. And when that day comes, all this pain will feel worth it. Until then, I will keep going because that's what farmers do. They rise even after feeling, they hope even after losing, and they live for the next season, for the next chance, for a better tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel.